So then the queen shuffled over to her magic mirror and said, "Magic mirror on the wall, who's the happiest of all?" And the mirror said, oh, now where was I? Doggone pesky mosquito. Now let's see. Oh, yeah. And the mirror said, "Not you, Queenie. You're a terror. There's another who's terror." When the queen heard this, she blew a gasket. "Who's terror the tea?" she screamed. That'll take care of Mr. Mosquito. "No, right. That's who," said the mirror, and the queen was fit to be tied. Now I got you cornered. That does it. This calls for drastic measures. Hello? Send over an exterminator. That's right. And send him right away.
I'm Happy Harry, your jolly exterminator man. What's your problem, pal?
I'm a mosquito, and he's a pet.
That calls for Big Smoky, my special smoke bomb.
Well, all right.
You wait here. I'll set the trap. I'll put some mosquito food here in the piano. Come on, let's hide. Uh-oh, it won't be long now. Mr. Skeeter is doomed to a short, unhappy life.
Hey, it's burning!
Yeah.
Oh, no. My new piano.
Those things will happen, Sonny.
You ruined my piano. And there's the mosquito.
Leave it to old Happy Harry. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Scissors A cuts rope B, causing ball C to bounce into cup, which makes shoe kick lever, making nail puncture balloon, thereby scaring cat, who jumps into basket. That opens cage, releasing bird, who flies to bird seed on platform. This goes down and fires pistol. Bullet cuts rope, releasing heavy weight that drops on mosquito. Who's relaxing and fast? Oh. Now we'll get the fast ready.
I don't know.
Here we go. Ha! You see? I got him.
Look at my floor. You ruined it. Oh, no. There goes the mosquito.
I guess we'll check that one off, eh, pal?
And I'm checking you off.
I guess this calls for my ace in the hole. This here's my surefire anti-mosquito missile. This remarkable weapon will seek out and destroy any mosquito it goes after. First, I will activate the warhead. Then I'll set the get-along mechanism in motion. And away we go. You can't get away. When that missile catches them, it'll blow the roof off the house.
Yeah. Huh? Get him, missile.
Oh, no.
The light is fairer, said the mirror. You're cracked, said the queen. I am not, said the mirror. You are now, said the queen, as she rammed a bony fist through the looking glass. Guess who?
Merry old England was not so merry in 1512. The ruthless King John had taxed the people into abject poverty, and now decrees that his subjects bow down to his golden crown that sits high atop a pole in the village square.
Jolly old England, I love you. I love tea and crumpets too. Dooby-dooby-doo, dooby-dooby-doo, doo-doo.
Hold it, knave. Pull over to yon curb.
What did I do?
It's what you didn't do. See that crown up there?
That's only some sphinx crown on a pole.
That Sphinx crown? I mean, that crown happens to belong to the king.
So what?
So it means you got to bow down.
Louie, let's get out of here, Sugarfoot.
George, get him! Bring them here. Now, scoundrel, if thou do not choose to bow down, thee will have to shoot this cranberry from atop thy horse's head. Here's thy bow and arrow. Let us get on with the show.
I don't know how to shoot a bow and arrow.
That's too bad. For him. Yow! Seize him!
Yeah, shoot. Let's not lose our heads, Sugarfoot. We're getting out of here. I gotta get this off. Come on, Sugarfoot. This might be a secret passage. Hold on. Let us reason together. My friend and I will bow down to yonder crown.
Proceed to do so.
You do it first, Sugarfoot.
Now it is thy turn.
No, it is thy turn. Hurry, climb up the rope. Quiet, Sugarfoot. Come on, Sugarfoot. Methinks our gallant foe has king-size headache. Let's blow this drumming castle. We gotta get over this wall and we're free, pal. A catapult. That'll do just fine. Hop aboard, Sugarfoot. And away we go. Let's go to town, pal. Guess who?
Big Jake and Little Louie have escaped.
Hey, Big Jake, what do we do now?
First, we gotta get out of these clothes. Look over there. Come back, you dumb knucklehead.
A cowboy's horse is a cowboy's friend. He'll stick by you to the bitter end.
Come on, bite brain.
No feet-bitten old nag is gonna whistle at me.
Now let that be a lesson to you, Sugarfoot. And besides, she wasn't your type anyway. So forget about that old nag. Hold it, Sugarfoot.
Here comes that stupid horse again. Let's go, Louie. Step on it, Louie.
I'm tired, Big Jake.
Get up, Louie.
Is this the horse you're in love with, Sugarfoot? Ugh, what a sad sack. Get up, Bluesy. Well, I'll be doggoned. Sugarfoot, there's something rotten in Rotterdam, and we better find out what. Let's go.
There's an old shed, Louie. We'll hide in there. Here they come, Louie. I gotta get my head back.
Let's go round the back. Uh-oh. Do you see that? Hold this, Sugarfoot. Nothing like a hornet's nest to get things buzzing. It won't be long now.
Let's get out of here, Louie.
This is the worst day of me life.
Yeah, me too. Here they come again. Well, hurry up.
Oh, you poor horsey. You're all discombobulated. But don't worry. We'll have you back in shape in a jiffy. We're always glad to help a friend in need. Ain't that right, Sugarfoot? Come back, horsey! Come on, horsey. Pull yourself together. You've got tired blood, horsey. What you need is exercise. Hey, Sugarfoot, bring the wagon. Giddy up. Giddy up. I've heard of buggy rides, but none as buggy as this.
Hey, watch that whip, Buster.
Did you hear that, Sugarfoot? A talking horse. Abandon ship!
I'm tired of this life of freedom, Jake.
Me too, Louie. Let's get back to jail where it's safe.
Hey, what a sin! We come back!
Yeah, we know our rights. You gotta let us in.
Well, Sugarfoot, you see the trouble you started by falling in love? Oh, well, it happens every spring.
I'll put a stop to that noise.
I got a gal, she's an Eskimo. Way up north where the cold winds blow. Lives in a house made of ice and snow. But ain't she cold? Oh, no, no, no. Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop. Twist and jerk and rhythm, do the muck-luck bop.
Stop! Cut it out! I'm trying to sleep. And besides, I hate that kind of music. Gosh, what a sorehead.
Party pooper.
Guess I'll listen to the news.
This is station SKMO. Hollywood is looking for a new musical group. Someone with a new gimmick.
New gimmick? How about a singing bear and a penguin? Gad, I can see him now at the Root Beer A-Go-Go.
Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop. Twist and jerk and rhythm, do the muck-luck bop.
I'll make a fortune. I'll get the little one first, and then come back for the bear.
I take her out for a dog sled ride. I holler rush, sit by her side. We cuddle up, the temperature's low. But is she cold? Oh, no, no, no.
Let's go, buddy boy. Help! Throw me something!
We dance all night, that is 6 months long. She's dressed up in a big sarong. And a big smile, not much I know. But is she cold? Oh, no, no, no.
Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop, twist and jerk in rhythm to the muck-luck bop.
Hold it, boys. How would you like to go to Hollywood and be famous to sign this contract?
Gee, a contract. Why didn't you say so? Hey, where do we sign this thing? What's up, Chili? Oh, yeah. Just a minute, kind sir. How would you like to sign up a singing whale?
A singing whale? Tell me more.
Listen. The office is inside.
A phonograph! Oh, no! I've been tricked! Let me out of here! Hey! Hey, let me out! You hear me? I'll kill those fools!
Life is a ball with an Eskimo. Dancing till dawn, so the lights will glow. Doing the bop, 25 below. But is she cold? Oh, no, no, no. Shuffle on the tundra, slip and slide and hop. Twist and jerk in rhythm, do the muck-muck pop.